in this case, we have imagine that you are experienced medicinal chemist who already uses Reaxys regularly. So this is someone who already relies on structure search or reaction search, which is available here, or keyword searching, advanced filtering, all that precise workflows that Reaxys provides. And all of them remain unchanged and fully supported. But now imagine that this chemist is starting a new project and wants to get familiarized quickly around a new topic for them. For example, BTK inhibitors for treating cancer. So now for that, they can start with a natural language search just to get a fast overview. Imagine he asked recent advances in BTK inhibitors for the treatment of cancer. They can click search, and Reaxys, as I said already, tries to understand the user intent and return the relevant documents, but also summary. Imagine that in our case, user wants to go a little bit deeper in topics, say this catched his attention, like dual BTK based inhibitors. They want to understand this a little bit more, so we can easily get access to corresponding document that was used for generation this text snippet. We can go into details and see what is mentioned in this document, and we see, okay, there are 10 substances published, and imagine this structure caught the attention, so we know that this compound is known enzastaurine. We have its CAS number, and it is quite well characterized. But let's imagine that this user wants to go even deeper and to understand what families of similar compounds are there in Reaxys. This is quite easy to do. We have a find similar, and Reaxys generated the family of similar clusters for user exploration. Say I want to start from this medium level. So you see that it is the compound which I started with, but all the remaining ones are these belonging to this family, and we have the similarity coefficient provided for guiding through them. And okay, if we want to go even deeper and try to understand, okay, what is known about biological activities of this compound, it is quite easy. They can click on bioactivity visualization, and we know that, okay, only from this family, 3 compounds were tested against biological activities. Mostly these are inactives, but here we can see quite a nice family of proteins against which these compounds were active. So if I want to learn a little bit more about those proteins, I can easily click on target summary, get the information about how this protein is named, what are its synonyms, what is tested, get access to compounds tested against it, and so on. So I can go as deep as I want. So again, the point here is integration. This new AI-powered search and summarization experience is not a separate product, and it is not a disconnected tool. It is built directly into Reaxys, so users can move from a question to evidence to deeper chemical insights, while they're still keeping access to the trusted workflows they already rely on.